Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Here's another little ravine that I got some from. And you know, you don't think of southern Illinois as being tropical, but holy mackerel. It is like a jungle down here sometimes. You can see that they're growing all the way in there. So there are plenty to keep propagating. I just love them. Might be pretty common for some of you, but definitely not for us. So that's why I'm enjoying them as much as I possibly can. This is on the edge of the woods by the corn or the bean field, and I bet somebody has claimed this as their home because there's fresh dirt inside that hollowed out tree.